Today I'm going to show you how to connect your Huawei MatePad or MatePad Air to your Samsung smart monitor. Now this will probably work for most smart monitors. It doesn't have to be Samsung, but let's go ahead and show you. So first, for Samsung, we're going to do a projection. So we're going to want to turn on the monitor first. Then we're going to go to settings. So once we get to settings, we're going to not use Bluetooth. We're going to actually go to more connectivity options, and then we're going to look for screencast. Okay, so go ahead and click screencast, and then we're going to turn that on. Now, once we turn it on, we're going to see the smart monitor pop up, and go ahead and click that. And once it does, it is now connecting. So give it a little bit of time. So, okay, it is now connected. If I turn it horizontal, then it should fill up the whole screen. Okay, guys, so that's one way. Now, if it's not mirroring full screen, then what you can do to get rid of this box right there is use your remote, and then we're gonna make sure that it's highlighted, this box on the left. Then we're gonna go ahead and go to the right, and it says exit to full screen. Go ahead and click that. And now it should be mirroring full screen.